Good evening, everyone. So CPI news, 12 minutes to go. This is a short video for tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa gold. So last time, CPI itong December last year, the inflation was around 7%. So tingnan natin sa Forex Factory. So nasa 7% 'yon. Yes, CPI year on year nasa nasa 7% may get CPI, and now nasa 3% na lang. So it is expected dito ngayon ng forecast is 3.1, meaning lower than previously November 2023, lower pa siya. Yes, the previous and the actual, if below nga siya ng 3.1, like a 3%, meaning that the actions of the Fed are yung target ng Fed na 2%, or yung lower inflation na target ng Fed is slowly materializing. Okay, nagmamaterialize na siya. So looking at the price of gold, nasa na si gold ngayon? Nasa 1990 na siya. So last time it was in this level, nasa 1810, 1800 to 1700, nag-break siya nung 17 to 1800. And then the CPI, mataas pa yung inflation, mataas yung CPI dati. Pag mataas CPI, normally Fed would increase rates para makombat yon, inflation. So hindi lang naman yun yung dapat nating intindihin, kasi marami namang factors na kaka-apekto nito. Hindi pwedeng direct relation lang silang dalawa. So ngayon, ano kayang mangyayari? Ano kayang ipa-price in ng market? So will the Fed be bullish? Magiging bullish pa ba si Fed, knowing that the inflation rate is cut into like almost half na, since CPI was cut 7% 11 months ago, ngayon 3% na lang. So will they be bullish for the next year? So ano yung magiging ano yung mga ipa-priced in ni market ngayon? So will it be a hawkish Fed? Pag hawkish yung Fed, meaning interest rates mag-increase pa sila, kasi pag nag-increase pa sila, the dollar value will increase as well, kasi malaki yung interest rate. So bakit interest rate up, the dollar value will also go up, kasi ma-encourage ka na mag-save. Okay, pag na-save mo si dollar na malaki yung interest rate, malaki balik ng pera mo. So yung pera ng investors, instead of putting it on riskier assets like the stock market or kahit anong assets na comes with a risk, hindi na ilalagay yun. Dahil ang interest rate, kung magsisave ka lang ng dollar, is mataas, di ba? So doon ka na lang sa sigurado, compared sa i-risk mo pa siya sa hindi safe. Okay, with risk, higher risk na mga na puproduce ng pera. Okay, so kung bullish siya, kung hawkish si Fed, the price of gold will go down, eventually go down, kasi inverse naman yun sa USD. So naka-inverse. So kung lalakas si US dollar, pababa yung SAU USD, diba? So kung hawkish si Fed, at makita nila yung if ever the market will price in that the Fed will be hawkish in the year 2024, then the price of gold will go down. But if they anticipate, or the market anticipates, that the Fed will be dovish for next year, the price of gold will shoot up, dahil they will expect a rate cut. So pag nag-rate cut na, kasi sample yung dollar mo, you will devalue the dollar, devalue the interest rate of the dollar. Sino pa magsisave ng dollar kung maliit na lang yung interest rate? So hindi nila isi-save yun. Investors will pull out the money and then put into other classes, like the safe haven na gold. So dito nila ilalagay sa stock market, doon nila ilalagay, or eventually doon sa riskier assets, kasi saving the dollar is wala ka ng dahilan para mag-save, since kakat na sila ng rates. So if the market price in a rate cut for next year, which is parang nangyari nung tinest ni gold yung high na to ng 2,100, binrake niya yan. Tinest ito in expectation for a rate hike, or kung merong geopolitical na naman na mangyayari, no, mga war na mangyayari, then price of gold will shoot up. So the high probability setup na mangyayari ngayon for the year 2024, knowing this data, hindi pa natin alam yung CPI, no, mag-anticipate lang tayo. So knowing ngayon mga data, we expect na Fed will eventually cut their rates. So pag may rate cut, and then we are at the end of the year in a month, so mag-anticipate na yung mga next invest for the move next year. So what will the move be? So that would be a bullish move for gold. So mas magandang movement niya is buy. So, yun sa fundamental side. And let's go to our technicals naman tayo. So looking at the monthly candle, we have a support here sa monthly natin. Nag-weak na si gold dito. So we have a support here created, no, sa level na yan, which is then the support is in 1975. So sa 1975, lagyan na natin ng yan. Alright. So we have a support here at 1975. And then sa monthly yan. So titingnan natin. Now looking at the weekly, since may dalawa pa tayong high volume na so a break of 1975 will expose the price to the next, no, itong volume na to, yung volume na to kayang-kaya basagin nung break ni 1975 here. Okay, so we can safely say na sunod na support natin will be here, okay, at the 1931 level. Okay, so break of that support, meron ka na namang sunod, the 1885. So solid dyan, right? Okay, looking at the H4, so H4 candle natin, kung sakto sa mga natin, sa mga high volume levels. So we have a high volume here, London New York overlap. We have a high volume support here at the 1975, which is the New York overlap. So tama yung 1975 and 1931. So that would be the price levels to watch. If the price breaks at 1975, you can target the 1931. Okay, so for a bullish setup, so example, magbo-bullish siya, hindi ka pwede tumalpak ngayon agad-agad. So if for a bullish setup to happen, so kailangan ni gold na ma-break tong high volume na support na ginawa dito, which is here at the okay, this is a high SGC breakout dyan sa 1990 level. So pag na-break ni gold to, so again na natin sa 2000. So if the 2000 level breaks, it could retest this high na ginawa nung London before, which is here. Okay, yeah. So that would be your directions for this move. So meron kang 2039. So masasabit muna yan dito. Una. That is sagad-sagad muna yan. 2016, but these are dito tayo sa maraming nag-consolidate. So you can test here, but madaling basagin lang yung 2015 na yan. And yes, if you're looking for bullish confirmations, dyan ang pinaka-probable na pwedeng paglagyan ni gold. That's a 2030 or the 2040 level. Okay, so yan yung magiging targets mo ngayon. So buy above 2,000, sell below 1975. Okay.